Hello, friends. Is it a chair? Look carefully. Yes, it is a chair. Well done. Hello, friends. Is it a bun? Look again. No, it is not a bun. It is a cake.
Hello, friends. Let us answer together. Yes or no. Look carefully and choose the correct answer. You are doing great.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our English session. Today, we are going to learn how to answer questions using yes and no. Children, when the answer is correct, we say yes. And when the answer is wrong, we say no. Now, look at the picture. Is it a chair? Yes, it is a chair. So we say yes. Now look at the next picture. Is it a bun? No, it is not a bun. It is a cake. So we say no. Children, today we learn how to answer using yes and no. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello, friends. I am number 91. I come after 90 and before 92. Let us learn me together. Hello, friends. Let us count together 1, 2, 3 and keep going until we reach 91. This means 91 objects.
Hello, friends. I am number 92. 92. I come after 91 and before 93. I am the next number in counting.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today we are going to learn two new numbers, 91 and 92. Are you all ready to learn and count with me? Children, let us begin with number 91. This number is written as 91. It comes just after 90 and before 92 in our number sequence. Now, children, when we count gift box and reach 91, we say 91. This means a group of 91 things together. Let us move to the next number, which is 92. This number is written as 92. And it comes immediately after 91 and before 93. Children, 92 means 1 more than 91. When we add 1 to 91, we get 92. So counting always moves step by step, like there are 92 balls on the page. Now children, observe carefully. Both numbers 91 and 92 are part of bigger numbers and help us count large quantities in daily life. Children, today we learned about numbers 91 and 92, their position and meaning. I hope you understand this chapter clearly.
Hello, friends. Look here. One van. And now look, many vans. One means single, many means more than one.
Hello, friends. This is one star and now see many stars. Wow, they are shining so bright, one and many. Hello, friends. This is one bird and now look, many birds flying together. One and many is fun to learn.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a very simple and interesting concept called one and many. Children, when we talk about one, it means a single object. For example, one van means only one van. If there are more than one, that means many. Now look there, one star and the another side more than one, like 4 stars on another side. So it means a many stars on the page. Now look at one bird, children. Now look at the another side and count and try observe bird on the page and keep practicing.
Hello, friends. I am river. I flow continuously and give water to plants, animals, and people.
Hello, friends. I am well. I store water underground. People use me to get water. Hello, friends. I am lake. I hold water in one place and look calm and peaceful.
Hello, friends. I am rain. I fall from clouds and give water to the earth and help plants grow. Hello, friends. I am sea. I am very big and full of water. My waves move again and again. Hello, friends. I am pond. I am small but useful. Many plants and animals live near me.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about sources of water which are very important for life on earth. Children, water is essential for all living things like humans, animals, and plants. We get water from many natural and man-made sources. Let us start with rivers. Rivers are flowing water bodies that provide water to cities, farms, and animals. Now, children, look at the sea. The sea is a very large body of water, but its water is salty and not used for drinking. Children, rain is one of the main sources of water. It falls from clouds and fills rivers, lakes, and ponds. Now, let us see lakes. Lakes are large water bodies where water is stored in one place, and they look calm. Children, wells are man-made sources of water. People dig wells to get water from underground. Ponds are smaller water bodies where animals and plants live in the jungle. Children, today we learned about different sources of water. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello, friends. I am number 36. I come after 35 and before 37. Let us learn me together.
Hello friends, let us count together 1, 2, 3 and keep going until we reach 36. This means 36 cats on the page.
Hello children, welcome back to our math session. Today we are going to learn a new number called 36. Children, number 36 is written as 36. It comes after 35 and before 37 in counting. Let us understand this better. Number 36 means a group of 36 cats. When we count things and reach 36, we say 36. Children, today we learned about number 36, how to read, write and count it. I hope you understand this chapter. Bye-bye. Keep practicing. See you in the next session. Children, the number 36 is made by combining 3 and 6 together. Practice writing it carefully in your notebook.
Hello friends, I am Dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. I move my body with music. Come dance with me. Hello friends, I am E-E-A-E. I help you enjoy food and grow strong. Hello friends, I am Sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. I help you rest and feel fresh. Hello friends, I am Hop, H-O-P, hop. I jump up and down. Come hop with me. Hello friends, I am Sit, S-I-T, sit. I help you rest in one place. Hello friends, I am Sing, S-I-G, sing. I make happy sounds and music. Hello friends, I am Write, W-R-A-E, write. I help you learn and express your ideas. Hello friends, I am Swim, S-Swim in water and have fun.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about action words. Action words tell us what someone is doing. They are very important in our daily life. Children, look at this. Action dance means moving your body with music. People dance when they are happy and enjoying. Now children, eat means taking food into our mouth. Eating helps us grow strong and stay healthy. Children, sleep means resting our body and mind. We sleep at night to feel fresh and active the next day. Now look at hop. Hop means jumping lightly like a girl. It is a fun action. Look at the page carefully. Children, read means looking at words and understanding them. Reading helps us gain knowledge. Look the next word, children. Sit means resting in one place, like on a chair or sofa. Now children, look. Sing means making music with our voice. Singing makes us happy and joyful. Now children, swimming means moving in water. It is a fun and healthy activity. Children, writing means forming letters and words using a pen or pencil. It helps us express our ideas. Children, today we learned many action words like dance, eat, sleep, hop, read, sit, this, swim actions. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am drinking water. I keep you healthy and fresh. Drink me every day. Hello friends, I am cooking. Water helps in making food soft and tasty. Hello friends, I help plants grow. I give water to plants so they stay green. Hello friends, I am bathing. I help keep your body clean, fresh. Hello friends, I help clean dust and make things neat and shiny. Hello friends, I help you brush your teeth and keep them clean. Hello friends, I help wash utensils and keep them clean and safe. Hello friends, I help generate electricity. Water can make power for homes.
Hello friends, I help wash clothes and make them clean and fresh.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about uses of water, which is very important in our daily life. Children, we use water for drinking. It keeps our body healthy and hydrated. Children, we use water for bathing to keep our body clean and fresh. Water is used in cooking to prepare food like rice, vegetables, and many dishes. Water is very important for plants. It helps them grow and stay green. Children, we use water to clean our homes, cars, and surroundings. Children, water helps us wash utensils and keep them clean. We use water while brushing our teeth to keep them clean and healthy. Children, look at this picture. The water is also used to generate electricity in big dams, which gives us power. Finally, children, look at this picture. We use water to wash clothes and make them fresh and clean. Children, today we learned about many uses of water. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am number 38. I come after 37 and before 39. Let us learn together.
Hello friends, let us count together 1, 2, 3 and keep going until we reach 38. This means 38 objects.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn new numbers, 38. Are you ready to learn and count? Children, let us begin with number 38. It is written as 38 and comes after 37 and before 39 in counting. When we count 38 rats and reach 38, we say 38. This means a group of 38 items together. Children, today we learned about numbers 38 and 39, their position and how to count them. I hope you understand this chapter clearly. Keep practicing at home. Bye-bye. See you in the next session. Now children, look at number 39. It is written as 39 and comes just after 38. It is one more than 38.